In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get a real ID in New Jersey. So start by visiting NJ.gov/MVC. And before we proceed, take note that New Jersey requires 6 points of ID plus proof of address. Make sure that you bring one primary ID like a US passport, birth certificate, or current NJ driver's license. Next is you must also bring one secondary ID, such as a social security card or college ID. You also need to bring a proof of social security number and two proofs of NJ address, like a utility bill, bank statement, or lease, and all documents must be originals or certified copies. Now, from this webpage, just scroll down until you get to the schedule an appointment section. So from here, you can just click on any of the links for you to be redirected on this page. Then click on make appointment. So here you will be asked what service is needed. So you're just going to click on CDL services. Then you can click on real ID. Here you can see all the appointments available depending on location, date, time, and availability. So choose what fits best on your schedule and location and simply click on make appointment. So here, of course, choose your date of visit if available. And of course, choose a time for your appointment. And lastly, enter in this information. Tick the box on the confirmation of policy section, then simply click on the submit button. Real ID in New Jersey is by appointment only, so make sure that you schedule an appointment. And from there, make sure that you arrive with your documents, complete the application, take a new photo, and pay the fee. You'll keep your old license until the new real ID arrives by mail. Your real ID should arrive in about 2 weeks, so the only thing left to do by then is to wait for your real ID. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!